Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to do a little cleaning inside the truck. As you'll see in just a second, it's not the cleanest, it's not the dirtiest, but it's not very clean. So I don't know about you guys, but I don't really like driving around in a dirty car. But with kids, you end up with dirty cars. So I'll go through, show you what we got to do. Mostly just going to be using the vacuum, a little bit of cleaner. Nice detail brush. Don't need to pull out the extractor. There's nothing that bad, but hopefully we can get it with the tools we already got. So as you can see in the back, we'll just vacuum this up, get rid of that trash. Got some camera equipment that's all over the place. And up here in the front, yeah, just some more trash. Welcome to having children. And this up here is, I don't know if you can really see it at this angle, but it's getting kind of grimy. So hopefully the cleaner and the little detail brush will get rid of that. Alright, let's get started. Alright, this is what we're going to use to kind of wipe down all the dash and all the panels and all that. The chemical guys, Nonsense Invisible Super Cleaner, colorless and odorless. Not my go-to, but can't seem to find the other one, so we're gonna go with that one. Then I got a boar's head detail brush, boar's hair, sorry, just kind of agitate things a little bit, especially this piece right here. and just a normal everyday microfiber cloth to wipe everything up. All right, set you guys down, see what we can accomplish here. I'm gonna start by spraying a little on the brush itself. Just get it kind of moistened up a little. Rub it all in. This red piece right here is kind of rubberized so that it won't damage any of your parts of your car here. Alright, just wipe it off. Alright, for the dashboard, we're just going to wet the cloth. We don't need the brush for this, it's just dusty. guys, all finished up. Just did a quick little wipe down. Not the dirtiest vehicle, so I didn't really go too far. Plus it's winter, so this thing's gonna get trashed all winter anyways. Well, if this was a summer clean, I'd probably be a little more detailed, but as you can see, Aerospace 303 came out great. Love that look. Got that clean. It's still a little damp, so it looks dark, but it is cleaned up. Onto the back. This is a rubber floor. I ain't scrubbing it. It's too damn cold. But the rest of it's looking good. Just look at that shine in there. This stuff is amazing. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. If you guys enjoy the cleaning videos, let me know. Do some more. Can get a little more detailed on the products that I'm using, and maybe get some dirtier vehicles in here and get the extractor out. That'll be a good time. So let me know if you guys enjoy that. Either way, I appreciate everybody watching. Please share, subscribe if you feel like it, but sharing is definitely going to help get the word out on this channel. Still new to this. I think this is like my 10th video, maybe 11th. So any help will be great. Appreciate it, guys. Thanks. Have a great day.